Hello everyone, I am Satyaprakash and now we will be doing the Arcade Adventure Kubernetes engine. Let's open the lab. Let's start the lab. As you can see, the lab started. Let's copy the adventure application code over here. Now open our incognito tab. Now paste it over here. Wait a little while for it to open. Now let's move back to our normal window. Now copy our arcade adventure code. It is JKE here. Now let's move over here and paste over here. It is GKE. Now just go and click anything you like. Let's go with pods, Docker files, multi-age, assessment, and you got 100 points. Now go to assessment, submit assessment. Now move back and you will get the lab assignment code over here. Just copy it or now paste over here. Submit it and you will get the congratulations over your screen. Now